What's the meaning of a Prairie Home Companion? A Prairie Home Companion. A Prairie Home Companion.
A Prairie Home Companion. A Prairie Home Companion. A Prairie Home Companion is the title of a radio show that was created by Garrison Keillor in 1974 and ran for over 40 years until he retired in 2016. The show was set in the fictional small town of Lake Wobegon, Minnesota, and featured humor, storytelling, music, and performances by a variety of guest artists. The name of the show reflects the rural, Midwestern setting and the emphasis on community and companionship. It became a beloved cultural institution and inspired a feature film of the same name in 2006.